Day when we were in Turkey, the heater gave us an error code, right? The diesel heater gave us an E3 error code, and we thought it was glow plug. So we replaced the glow plug. It cost us £7 off Amazon, and we've had to unscrew all the chairs because someone had got our diesel heater in with the chairs, so it was all tangled up in the chairs. You've dropped the diesel tank of the camper van on the Ford Transit and put a nipple on and dropped a straw directly into the diesel tank. We have now got the electrics and rewired it back up. The error code is gone, right? And we've got air pumping out, but it's not heating. So everything seems to be working, but no heat.